Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, so today I want to explain about my teamwork in 6th meeting. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nisrina and I'm from group A. So in this presentation, I want to explain about the vocabulary, video question and example 2, 4, 6 and 7 from chapter 2. So let's restart from the first topic is vocabulary. First is angle, or in bahasa sudut. Angle is the figure formed by two rays called the sides of the angle, sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of the angle. For example, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Second vocabulary is protractor, or in bahasa is busur derajat. A protractor is a measuring instrument used to measure angles in degrees or radians. And the third vocabulary is length, or in bahasa is panjang. In mathematics, length refers to the measurement of how long an object is, or the distance between 2 points. For example, the length of a space. Fourth vocabulary is width, or in bahasa is lebar. In mathematics, width refers to the measurement of how width an object is, or the distance between 2 points at right angles to the length. For example, the formula for the area of a rectangle is P times L, where P is the length and L is the width of the rectangle. Fifth vocabulary is distance, or in bahasa is jarak. In mathematics, distance refers to the numerical or qualitative measurement of how far apart objects or points are from each other. For example, if we have 2 points, A is 2,3 and B is 5,7. We can use the distance formula to find the distance between them. The sixth vocabulary is percent, or in bahasa is percent. Percent is a way of expressing a number or ratio as a fraction of 100. Example of percent are 20%, 50%, and 100% or more. And seventh vocabulary is percentage, atau in bahasa is persentase. Percentage is a way of expressing a number or ratio as a fraction of 100. It is used to compare quantities or to find a part of a whole. Example of a percentage is if we want to find 20% of 50, we can use 20 per 100, or 20 divided by 100 times 50 is 10. So next to height vocabulary is height, or in bahasa is tinggi. Height is a term used in mathematics to describe the measurement of vertical distance, either vertical, extent, or vertical position. And the ninth vocabulary is base, or in bahasa is dasar, or alas. Basis is a set of vectors that can be used to represent any vector in a vector space as a linear combination of the basis vector. A basis is a fundamental concept in linear algebra and is used to study the properties of vector space and linear transformation. The 10th vocabulary is side, or in bahasa is sisi. Side is a line segment that form part of a flat or two-dimensional shape, such as a polygon or a rectangle. Our next second topic is video question. The question is, known 30% of on guavas is only for today, and price 6 guavas sale price is $12.60. And the question is, how much 2 guavas at full price? And the solution, if X is a symbol of cost of 6 guavas at full price, so X minus 0.30X equals to 12.60, and divided both sides with 0.7. So 0.7x divided by 0.7 equals to 12.60 divided by 0.7. So x equals to 18. And the value of x is $18. So full price of 6 guavas is $18. Price of 1 guava full price is price of 6 guavas divided by 6. So price of 1 guava full price is 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Price of 1 guava full price is $3. So the price of 2 guavas at full price is $3 times 2. So the price of 2 guava at full price is $6. So the next to third topic is example. Okay, we start from example 2. An advertisement for toothpaste claimed that 4 out of 5 dentists recommended a certain brand. A consumer group wanted to check the accuracy of this claim and surveyed 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? And the solution is, from the question, there is the parts 4 out of 5 indicates that the ratio of those who recommended to those who don't recommend it is 4 to 1. Let x is the number of group, so number of those who recommend it is 4x, and number of those who don't recommend it is x. So we have 4x plus x is 180. 4x plus x is 5x, so 5x is 180 and both sides divided by 5. So 5x divided by 5 is x and 180 divided by 5 is 36. There would be 4 times 36 equals to 144. So 144 dentists who recommend the brand and 1 times 36 equals to 36 who don't recommend it. So in next to example 4, Jason is Chris' older cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 to 5 years. In 5 years, Chris will be for more than half of Jason's age. How old are they both now? So the solution, the ratio of Jason and Chris are 9 to 5. First, let's assume Jason's age are 9 and Chris' age are 5. After 5 years, Jason's age would be Jason, 9 plus 5 is 14 and Chris, 5 plus 5 is 10. In the question, after 5, Chris' age would be 4 more years old than half of Jason's age. So we have the formula, Chris' age is 4 plus half 14. And Chris' age is 10, so 10 equals to 4 plus 7, or 10 equals to 11. So this assumes is false. So we try to second assumes is 18 to 10, but this assumes is wrong too, is false. So we next to third assumption is 27 to 15. Because our first information of their age are wrong, let's try 27 to 15, because 27 to 15 are 3 times of ratio 9 to 5. After 5 years, their age will be, Jason is 27 plus 5 is 32 and Chris is 15 plus 5 is 20. In the equation, after 5, Chris' age will be 4 more years older than half of Jason's age. So Chris' age equals to 4 times half Jason's age. And Chris' age is 20. So 20 is 4 plus half of 32. So 20 equals to 4 plus 16. So we have 20 is 20. So this assumes is true. So their age after 5 years are 32 and 20 years old. But the question is, how old are they boys now? So their age we minus 5. Jason's age we minus 5 is 32 minus 5 is 27, and Grace's age is 20 minus 5 is 15. So their age now is 27 and 15 years old. So we next to example 6. Carol's candy stand sells a popular mixture of two of her candies, which sell for $2.70 per pound and $1.95 per pound. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheaper candy in the mixture is 3 to 5. If Carol sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during a coming month, she would have revenue of $928.20, which will be the same as if she sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? And the solution, the K of the problem is the revenue would be the same as if she sold each type of candy separately, since the ratio of the candies in the mixture is 3 to 5. Assume that 3 pounds plus 5 pounds is 8 pounds was sold. Let X is the multiple of pounds of candy. Number of pounds of expensive candy is 3x, and number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x, and total number of pounds sold is 8x. The model gives us the equation number of pounds of expensive candy times $2.70 plus number of pounds of cheaper candy times $1.95 is total revenue. So we have 3x times $2.70 plus 5x times $1.95 is $920.20. So $17.85 x is $920.20 and divided both sides with 17.85. So divided both sides with $17.85. So x is 52. The mixture is in supply. Substitution x is 52. So we have 8x is 8 times 52 is 416 pounds. The selling price for 1 pound $928.20 divided by 416 pounds is $2.23 per pound. Therefore, 416 pounds of the mixture is in supply and sell for $2.23 per pound. Hi, it's another day, so I'll explain last example or example 7. Among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2.5 cups of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. The direction indicates that this will serve 8 people. If there will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? The solution, the model for the problem is therefore the amount of a regular sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of regular sugar for 12 people. So let X is the amount of regular sugar of 12 people. So the equation is 2.5 per 8 is X per 12. Cross multiplying, so 8X equals to 60 per 2. So we have X 30 per 8. And X is 3 and 3 per 4 cups. And the amount of brown sugar for 8 people is proportional to the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. Let Y is the amount of brown sugar for 12 people. So the equation is 1 per 4 per 8 is Y per 12. So the equation 1 per 4 per 8 is Y per 12. Cross multiplying, and we have 8Y is 3. So Y is 3 per 8 cup. We can check. One way to check the problem is to see if the ratios of the original amounts to the new amounts is the same as 12 to 8 or 3 per 2. For the regular sugar is 3 and 3 per 4 divided by 2, and half is 15 per 4 divided by 5 per 2 equals to 15 per 4 times 2 per 5 equals to 30 per 20 equals to 3 per 2. For brown sugar is 3 per 8 divided by 1 per 4 equals to 3 per 8 times 4 per 1 equals to 12 per 8 equals to 3 per 2. And this is my presentation today for 6th meeting. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.